In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the BCC field to your Outlook emails in just a few moments. Whether you're looking to keep email addresses private when sending a group email, or simply want to make your messages more professional, using the BCC field is a wonderful feature that can help you achieve these goals. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to head over to Microsoft Outlook, so if you haven't already, go ahead and open Outlook on your desktop or access it via your web browser. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a sign in option. Click on it. The signing in process is quite straightforward. Enter your email address and password to access your Outlook account. It's essential to be mindful of the security of your login details, so ensure you're on a secure connection when signing in. Now that you're signed in, we will move on to creating a new email. On the top left of your Outlook window, you will notice a button labeled New Email. Go ahead and click on this button to open a blank email template. This is where you'll craft your message. With the new email window open, we need to focus on the various options available to us. Direct your eyes to the top of the email window where you'll find a tab called Options. This tab is packed with various functionalities to enhance your email, and it will help us enable the BCC field today. Click Options and you'll see a list of additional features that you can add to your email. Scroll down that options list and look for the option that says Show BCC. When you click on Show BCC, the BCC field will instantly appear in your email template right below the To and CC fields. And just like that, you've added the BCC field to your Outlook email. The BCC or blind carbon copy field allows you to send emails to multiple recipients without them seeing each other's addresses. This can be particularly useful for maintaining privacy in a large distribution or when dealing with contacts who do not know each other. Simply enter the email addresses of the contacts you wish to BCC in this field. And there we go. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to add the BCC field to your Outlook emails. Including the BCC field not only helps you keep things professional, but also adds an extra layer of discretion to your emails. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.